Visit Sosimo Fashion Boutique for luxury brands at unbeatable prices. Celebrate our 5th anniversary with us and enjoy global fashion finds. From classics to trends, all without the hefty price tag. Don't miss our anniversary specials and exclusive offers. Sosimo Fashion Boutique, where luxury meets affordability. Located at number 3 Lower Calaclan, Olongapo City. Follow us on Facebook, www.facebook.com/Sosimo Shoppers. The only shop that will make you social pero hindi mahal. Sosimo Fashion Boutique. Ang Sosimo.
Win as much as 600,000 pesos in any of our electronic bingo sites. Bingo Pot in Magsaysay Drive beside Sam's Pizza and Bingo Bonus in Barreto. Bingo Party located at RC Mall, East Bakbak Public Market. And your favorite bingo place, Bingo Party Traditional Bingo, is now open to serve you from 12:30 p.m. till 8:30 p.m. Bingo Pot is open from 11 a.m. to 4 a.m. Game responsibly. See you there.
Hello everyone, this is Paul Sapiera and you're listening to DJ Tommy G, the Hitman at 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Thank you for listening.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio, and thanks to you too, Kuya Paul Sapiera. Here's the thing, I got a song coming from Paul Sapiera with which is really related to the weather that we're having right now. The song is called Endless Rain. Yeah, that's gonna be next. Pero before that, speaking of endless rain, syempre, may mga pagbaha, no? Sana medyo humupa muna ng konting ulan para to give way na dumaloy muna yung mga tubig na naipon para hindi naman bumaha ng... Well, di natin may iwasan yan eh. Ganun talaga eh, no? Pero we're wishing na dumaloy muna sana para mabawasan lang. Para ang hirap kasi ng ano, ng may mataas na baha. Alam mo yun, yung papasok sa mga kabahayan. Naku, napakahirap. But yeah, and speaking of baha, hindi natin maiwasan. Ano? Minsan, may mga kababayan tayo na nadadali ng leptospirosis, ano? An infection caused by the bacteria Leptospira or Leptospiro found in animals. Okay? If untreated, it can cause kidney damage, brain inflammation. Wow, nakakatakot, no? Kalain mo, isipin mo, ihi lang ng mga hayop lalo na sa daga. Tapos, makakakos pala ng brain inflammation to. Oh, pamamaga ng utak. Also liver failure, respiratory diseases, and even death. Katakot, di ba? What are the symptoms of leptospirosis kung na-contract mo yan? High fever, severe headache, chills, redness in the eyes, jaundice. Jaundice yung naninilaw. Alright? Oh, hindi pregnant ha? Ano yun? Jaundice yun. Jaundice yun. Oh. Abdominal pain, diarrhea, vomiting, rashes, muscle pain, hemorrhages. Yan yung mga symptoms na ano, nako, pagka meron ka ng mga symptoms na yon, did you wade in flood waters? Lumusong ka? Did you have any wound on your skin? Lalo pa kung may wound ka in your skin na lumusong ka, naku, consult your doctor immediately. Tapos meron ka ng mga symptoms na yon. No? Okay, nakakatakot. Preventable naman siya kung maagapan ng maaga. In fact, may iinumin ka nga lang na capsule to prevent it. I forgot the ano, I don't wanna medicate on air. Mamay magkamali pa ako eh. 'Di ba? May mapahamak pa, masisi pa ako. Pero yeah, ask your doctor, ask the barangay health center. Meron sila, may supply sila niyan. Yung pangontra sa leptospirosis na capsule. Yeah, merong iniinom. I forgot what it's called pero yeah. I guess alam niyo 'yun. Karamihan sa inyo alam 'yan eh dahil pinamahagi na ng mga LGU natin yung gamot na 'yan eh, 'di ba? Okay? So, avoid wading in flood waters. Ang paglusong sa baha. Layo-layo, iwas muna sa baha kung hindi importante, no? Wear boots and gloves during rainy days, protective clothing, di ba? Para hindi ka papasukin, di ba? Clean your house and surroundings para maalis yung ano, lalo na kung may yung mga marka ng mga ihi-ihi kasi nga nandoon eh, di ba? Ihi ng aso, ihi ng pusa, ihi ng daga, mga nasa ihi yan eh, no? Okay? So maintain a pest-free environment, tiyaking walang pest. Ito, here's the trick eh. Sa lugar nyo ba may maraming ipis, maraming daga, mga ganon? Ito lang yan. Kasi may nakukuha sila, di ba? iwasan nyo na may makukuha sila. Wala silang makukuha pagkain, wala silang madadampot, wala silang mapupulot. Ewan ko kung magstay sa inyo yan. Lalayo, aalis yan eh. Kasi gutom sila eh. Wala silang ano eh. Walang iipisin, walang dadagain, walang lalanggamin. Di ba? Kung masyado kayong sweet ni mahal, baka langgamin kayo. Ayun, mahirap ma-prevent yun. No? Love birds. Consult your doctor immediately if you have any of the symptoms. Okay? Alright? So, tandaan nyo, pwedeng iwasan. Prevent leptospirosis. Okay? That's the advisory for you guys dahil nagbabaha-baha na. So, yeah. Okay? And next to that, of course, another advisory, pieces of advice. No, not pieces of advice. I mean, invites. Coming from our friends at SM Central and Downtown. Check out the Back to School at the SM Store. Shoes for Kids. Featuring the Sugar Kids and Tough Kids brand of shoes. Alright, they got a wide variety of school shoes and everyday casual shoes for kids to choose from. Okay? My bunso has a couple of Tough Kids shoes. Yan. Sugar Kids and Tough Kids. Alright? And also do check out the Conti's BDO 40% off on dine-in and for food and beverages. Conti's Bake Shop and Resto at the ground level of SM Central. Okay? Also, do check out the Smack Bonanza. Use your Smack card at the SM Appliance Center. Get up to 50% off on selected items, of course, until July 31 only. And the guest sale is ongoing for all marked down items until July 31. Visit the guest store at the SM Central ground level. Okay? Career sale is also ongoing hanggang July 31 na lang for career women. Career men then, of course, at the SM Store. Up to 50% off on selected career-related items. Mga damit na pang-office. Yan, especially, okay? And do check out the SM Store's Everyday Coffee Every Day. Every coffee, every day. Free drink upsize using your Smack card at the Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf CBTL at the SM Store, second level of SM Central. Next up, we have this invite from National Bookstore. Panalo Balik Eskwela Mo raffle promo. For every 199 peso spend, it's equals to one raffle entry. Get the chance to win 100,000 pesos raffle prize. All right? And malapit na, the Born Pink film showing at SM Cinemas. Okay, July 31. So buy your tickets now for Born Pink. H&M sale is up until August, up to 50% off at H&M. They are located at the ground level of SM Central. All right? And smack it for a refreshing treat. Free drink upsize. I already mentioned this, right? Okay. Up until August 30. Yeah, oo nga naman. Kasama pa rin, yes. July 1 to September 30, the smack it for a refreshing treat. Free drink upsize. CBTL. SM Store, second level. All right? And lastly, the SM Home mid-year sale, clearance sale, up to 50% off on selected items, June 27 to August 4. All right. And lastly, speaking of SM Central and SM Downtown, they released an announcement that you guys can have the overnight free parking, free. You don't have to pay anything. Libre na parking para sa mga vehicle na nasa alanganing lugar, no? You guys can park your vehicles there at the SM parking for both downtown and central, okay? Free of charge, a public service of SM Central and SM Downtown, okay? Free overnight parking sa mga vehicles na maapektuhan ng mga nakatira sa mga low-lying areas, sa mga madaling bahain. Park your vehicles now at the SM Central and SM Downtown parking. Okay, so those are the invites. Announcements coming from our friends at SM City, Olongapo Central, and SM Downtown. Oh, by the way, thank you SM for doing that, ha? That's pretty cool of you guys offering your parking sa mga kababayan natin na, alam mo na, medyo alanganin yung lugar na madaling bahain yung sasakyan, no? Thank you very much, SM Downtown and SM Central. I love you. Speaking of I love you, here's another guy I love. Of course, idol natin to si Kuya Paul Sapiera. He's from Olongapo City. He was with the Rockstar Band. Pero originally, Arcacia Band sila. They've been performing in the city long time. especially during the time of the Americans here in the Subic Bay Freeport nung naval base pa to. They are a regular performer in clubs, in entertainment venues. Kuya Paul Sapiera and his band, all right? But this one's coming from this is a cut from his solo album when he went solo in 2000. This is Paul Sapiera's Endless Rain here on 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. And with this song for now, I guess I have to say goodbye. Kailangan ko ring umuwi. My lower back is killing me. I did some walis-walis. Para akong para akong human dam. I consider myself today a human dam dahil pinigilan ko yung pagpasok ng tubig dito sa loob ng station. I'm gonna rest muna. Sige, sumakit yung likod ko. But for the meantime, here's my final song na for you guys, huh? Okay? And you guys stay safe, stay dry. All right? And keep safe. All right? Iwasan ng leptospirosis. Naku, napakahirap pag na-contract yan. Madaling i-treat, madaling i-prevent. Pero umiwas tayo, huh? Okay? So here's Endless Rain from Paul Sapiera with the song for now. Tommy G saying peace. I'm out of here. Enjoy the rest of your rainy Wednesday morning. Spend it with your family. Bye for now.